In this video, I will show you how you can enable swipe typing on any iPad. Now, if you want to enable swipe typing on your iPad, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and go to General, and under the General Settings, just scroll down and tap on Keyboard. And under the keyboard settings, just scroll down and look for the option for slide on floating keyboard to type. Now just enable this toggle, and as the name suggests, you can slide on the floating keyboard to type. Now if I open the keyboard and if I try to swipe type, as you can see it is not working. For the swipe typing to work, just enable the floating keyboard. As you can see, after you enable the floating keyboard, you will be able to type using swiping. But if you want to use this feature in full screen, you will have to install a third-party keyboard from the App Store. For example, just open the App Store. Then in the search bar, just search the name of the keyboard which you want to install. If you want to install Gboard, just search Gboard, or you can install any other keyboard like the Microsoft Swift keyboard. For now, I will install Gboard. Now just enter the password of your Apple ID. Once your preferred keyboard has been downloaded, just tap on Open. Now from here, just tap on Get Started. Then tap on Enable Access. Now just tap on Get Started. And under the keyboard section, just tap on Keyboard and enable the toggle for the keyboard which you have downloaded. And also enable Allow Full Access. After that, just tap on Allow. Now if you go to your home screen and if you open the keyboard, as you can see, we have successfully changed the default keyboard on our iPad to Gboard. Just like that. And after you change the keyboard, you will be able to swipe type on your keyboard. Now if you open the keyboard on your iPad, but if the keyboard has not been changed, just tap on the globe icon and you will change the keyboard of your iPad to the keyboard which you have downloaded. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.